Hey guys, we got this Macco 1/2 inch wrench with the cat barring tool here. We go ahead and insert that into the back here. I do get my ratchet, so it is pinned against my skid cradle. We are at 200 foot-pounds here. Get her fired up. She's at 200. We hit them. 200. I've already went ahead and torqued in my first 200. This is just my double check here. As you can tell, I put lines on there stating I've already went around it once. I double checked everything. So I just wanted to make a video here how we do it. And you need to keep your crank from moving while you're doing this. That barring tool pinned in, wedged in, is the ticket. So